Good morning. Today for our Sistem Air in-depth, we will look at the installation of a central vacuum cleaner system with a sense retractable hose. Let's see how the system can be integrated into a renovation, seeing what the advantages of this system are where you cannot operate everywhere. In this property, 10 sense points will be installed. The sense in this case were all chosen with 12 meters hose to ensure the right compromise between surface coverage, manageability and portability of the hose. We are now in the basement of the property. This is the position where the machines will be installed. I say machines because the system is designed for a future subdivision, to then create two subsystems for possible subdivisions of the building. Here, Turbix cyclone separators will be installed under the machines. From the machine starts the piping network that will form the system of the house. You can see here the pipes that will go up to the upper floors. And you will notice that they are two pipes made with the traditional pipe, the one for standard installations, therefore with a diameter of 50 mm gray. Here we are on the ground floor. You can see on the left pipe there is a derivation. This will then allow the connection of all the sense that will serve this floor. Then the pipe continues to go to make this level and the upper levels. We are now on the top level. So, we have seen the sense pipes that have been developed in ceiling of the previous floor. As you can see, when the installation of the system rises from the bottom, we suggest to install the backplate at a lower height compared to the previous levels, where instead you saw it installed at about 1 meter height and even higher from the ground, because in this case the operation of extracting the hose is done by pulling it from the bottom upwards. So at an ergonomic level it is easier and simpler to make a movement starting from a low point. The installation will then be completed with the machines and Turbix when the construction site will be completed. It only remains for us to say goodbye. See you in the next follow-up. Bye everyone.